We are pleased to show you the 2021 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, battery saver, power brakes, adaptive cruise control, multifunction display, cargo area light. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.